Welcome to ODA Supply Source, the exclusive supplies resource for ODA members only. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through some of the basic functions of our e-commerce platform, addressing the common questions new users typically have. We'll cover everything from the basics like logging in to more advanced search tips to help you find the products you're looking for. We'll talk about how to place an order, how to access your order history, how to process returns, and we'll go over billing. The first time you visit the site, you should register as a first-time user here on the left-hand side using your ADA account number. The registration process is relatively easy. The only tips I would suggest is to make sure you register with the doctor's name associated with the ADA account number rather than a staff member. And also be sure to use whatever email address you would like to receive order and shipping confirmations to. And once you've registered, each time you visit the site, you'll log in here on the right-hand side under Current Users. Now from the homepage, there are a variety of ways to find the product that you're looking for. You could browse by product category. You could also search by a particular brand. But the easiest way is to just use the search bar. Let's say, for example, you were looking for a particular type of impression material. Type in impression and material. Hit find, and what will populate here will be any products that contains the words impression and material. Let's take a closer look at this fresh bold impression material. Underneath the product name, it lets you know who the vendor is. This is Exacta Dental Direct. Below that is the subject line. Generally, we'll give you a little bit more information about the product. This comes in two 50 milliliter cartridges and 6 mixing tips. As you scroll down, you'll see under the product image, it lets you know where this product ships from. Exacta is located in Michigan. Again, as you scroll down, you'll see the various options that this product is available in. And if you keep scrolling, you'll see even further product details for this product, along with any SDS sheets that might be available. The shipping and return policy of this particular vendor is also listed. If you'd like to write a product review, this is a new feature. You'd click on this button, you can write your review here. But in this case, let's say we want to purchase some of this heavy body material. We would just add a couple of those to our shopping cart. And we can keep on shopping. Now there'll be times where you don't have a particular product in mind, but you'd like to compare various brands within a specific product category. For example, let's say you were looking for the least expensive blue patient bib. You type in bib. Hit find, and again what's populating here is any product that contains the word bib. If you scroll down, you'll find bibs and bib clips. If you click on any one of these patient bibs, I'm going to give you a little tip. Just above the bib image, you'll see what we call breadcrumbs. This lets you know what product category this particular bib is in, the patient bibs and holders category. If you click on this, it actually helps to refine your search. So rather than looking for any product that contains the word bib, you're now looking at all the products in the patient bibs and holders category. Now right now the search results are showing you the best sellers first. If you'd like, you can change this to price, and we'll go low to high. Of course, the inexpensive bib clips are going to be first, but as you scroll down, the first bib that you see will be the least expensive patient bib. Here it is. It's from iSmile. We'll open up that product page, scroll down, find the color we're looking for, which is blue in this case, and we'll take a couple of cases of those and add them to your shopping cart. Now in most cases, you'll have a specific product in mind to search for. So let's say, for example, you were looking for the Reliax Ultimate Adhesive Syringe. Simply type in Reliax and Ultimate. Hit search, and again what's populating here will be any products that contains the words Reliax and Ultimate. So I'm sure you could scroll down and you'll find the Ultimate syringe pretty easily. But you also quickly have access to the Ultimate mixing tips. Here's an intro kit and also a trial kit. Here's the syringe refills. Let's go ahead and add a couple of these to your shopping cart. Okay. Over here on the right-hand side, I want to talk a little bit about the current order window. What's nice about the current order window is you can make changes to your order as you're going along. You don't have to wait till the very end. So if you wanted to, say, get 3 of those fresh and bold impression materials instead of 1, simply change the quantity and hit Update, and it'll change that to 3. Just below the current order window is the previous orders window. If you click on View Full History, what you'll see is your most current order will be expanded. You can collapse that by hitting this little minus sign, and each of the orders that you've placed will be listed here on this screen. Another nice feature about order history is it's totally searchable. You can type in something like impression, for example, hit find. It'll show you any orders that contains products that include the word impression. You should be able to quickly find that impression material that you're looking for. In addition, from the order history screen, you'll be able to print invoices. Each time you place an order, a PDF will automatically open, giving you a copy of that order invoice. However, if you ever need another one, you go to your order history, select the print invoice button, and a PDF will open up. Here, let me drag this over so you can see it, showing a copy of that particular invoice. The last feature of order history that's useful is this is where you would go to process a return. Find the order that includes the item that you want to return. Let's say you want to return these patient bibs. Click the Request Return button. Find the item you want to return and check that box. There's a short questionnaire regarding the return. The first thing it's asking you is how many of the 4 boxes would you like to return? Let's say we're going to return 2 of the 4. The resolutions means how would you like this resolved? Would you like a refund or would you like store credit? In this case, we'll go with the refund. The reason for the return. Is it defective? Is it not what you ordered? Did you order the wrong item? And then, of course, whether or not the product is opened. There's also an opportunity to add additional information if you'd like, and also you can attach a file if you need to take a picture of the product or something like that. You could do that here. Click Submit, and once you hit Submit, we will have just received that information that you're looking to return this item. We'll contact the appropriate vendor and we'll get the process started. You can check on your returns over here on the left under the account dashboard. There's a returns button. If you click on that, you'll see any returns that you've requested and where we're at in the process of approving that return. If the status is pending, it means it's still being received. That status will change to processing as soon as the vendor has agreed to accept the return. Once we have a return label, we will load the return label up to this particular part of your account, and you will also receive an email as well. You'll be able to print the return label and go ahead and send that product back. And while we're looking at your account dashboard, most of this information is pretty self-explanatory. Order history, you can edit your account information. If you'd like to add or change some of your addresses, you can do that here. But I do want to talk a little bit about billing and payments. When you first log into ODA Supply Source, you'll have the opportunity to request billing terms. There's a button down here under billing information where you'll fill out a form asking for a bill rather than paying with a credit card. Once you are on billing terms, you'll receive a statement once a month, and then this part of your account dashboard will make quite a bit of sense. You can look under transaction history. This will show all the different transactions that you've made, what your current balance is. If you'd like to make a payment, you would do it right from the screen. You can make a credit card payment whenever it's convenient. Again, it'll show you what your current balance is. And then if you'd like to print or download previous monthly statements that you've received, you can do that from here as well. At this point, let's go through the checkout process. If you need to get back to your shopping cart, just go up to the right corner and click on the little icon here. It shows you have 7 items in your shopping cart right now. You can actually click View Cart, and you'll have a chance to kind of review everything that's in your shopping cart one more time, and also remind you which products are coming from which vendors. So the fresh and bold impression materials coming directly from Exacta. Those patient bibs from iSmile are coming from iSmile. They're in California. And then the Reliax that we purchased is coming from IQ Dental Supply out of New Jersey. Ground shipping is free on every order, regardless of how many items are included in that order. However, it's important to understand that it is ground shipping, and most of these vendors are not going to be located in Oklahoma. So you want to make sure that you give yourself a little bit extra time to receive products that you order through ODA Supply Source, just in case it's coming from across the country. Anyway, when you're ready to go, you click Checkout. Here you have the opportunity to select your addresses. If you are using a credit card, make sure that the billing address matches the billing address associated with the credit card. And of course, enter the correct shipping address. These addresses are saved within your account, so you can add or subtract addresses as you need to. Under payment method, you would select credit card or invoice payment. In this case, we're getting an invoice payment, so we'll take that option. And the order total summary again shows you what the shipping costs were from these 3 different vendors, which is 0, and your order total. Go ahead and hit Checkout, and you've just placed your order. I guess one final tip I'd like to point out is a tool we call My List. It's up here on the top right. My List is a personalized shopping list that contains only the products you plan to order on a regular basis. It allows you to easily add items to your shopping cart without having to spend a lot of extra time searching. The easiest way to get started on building your own shopping list is through a price comparison. All you have to do is fax over a few months worth of recent supply invoices. We'll put together a side-by-side comparison of the same products, showing how much you'll save ordering through ODA Supply Source. In addition, we'll have a list of products that you order on a regular basis, and we can go ahead and load those into your My List for you to give you a nice head start on building your own personalized shopping list. For more information on how the My List tool works, check out the My List tutorial. Now, if you have any difficulty finding a product, or if you need any help whatsoever, please don't hesitate to contact us through the live chat feature or call us at 877-659-7310. Our customer service team is standing by, and we're happy to help. We want to thank you for your interest in ODA Supply Source, and we look forward to working with you.